Look at this, guys. I drink Sting just now. After that, my teeth start bleeding. Look, it's blood. It's blood. Look at this. I drink Sting and then this happened. My mouth starting bleeding all the way around. So, see? I recommend you not to drink Sting. Today is 5th September. Just now I finished drinking Sting. Please guys, it's very serious. Look, I have lost a lot of blood. See?